Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video we're going to go through question 40 from the Consortium Group 2 2014 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions from this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Let's take a look at this question. Each letter in the words below represents a number less than 10. The values of the letters in each word are then multiplied together to give the result shown. Given that BAT equals 90, LET equals 168, and BET equals 105, what is the value of table? Now let's identify the key elements of the question. We know that each of the letters represents a number less than 10. We also know that these numbers are the products of the preceding letters. We need to find the value of T multiplied by A, B, L, and E. However, we do not know the values of each of these letters individually. Let's think about it this way. If 90 is the product of B, A, and T, then B, A, and T must individually be factors of 90. So let's start off with a factor tree. As you may recall from class, we start off with 2 branches, and the numbers at the end of these are a set of factors of 90. 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to 90. We then continue branching off of these numbers until all the factors at the end are prime. We can do 5 and 2 for 10, both of which are prime, and 3 and 3 for 9. Again, both prime. We can then list our prime factors. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 90. But we only have 3 letters here, 3 factors. So one thing we can do is multiply 2 of our factors together. 3 times 2 is 6, to give us 3 factors. Now let's do the same for the other numbers we have here. Let's do 168 first. L, E, and T must all individually be factors of this number. Let's do our factor tree now. We can start off with 2 and 84. We know 2 is already prime, so we leave that. And continue. 2 and 42. 2 is prime again. Now we can branch off into 7 and 6. 7 is prime. And we can do 3 and 2, both of which are prime. Let's list our prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 3 gives us 168. Again, we have multiple numbers but only 3 letters, so we can multiply the 2's together to give us 8. And this way we only have 3 factors. And finally, let's do the same for 105, the factors of which are B, E, and T. Luckily for 105, we only have 3 prime factors, 5, 7, and 3, so we don't need to modify our numbers in any way. Now we have 3 sets of letters and their corresponding numbers. Let's line them up in a list and identify any common factors between them. You may have already spotted that one letter that comes up in all 3 is the letter T. Now that we've lined everything up, we can also see that the number 3 pops up in every set, so we can conclude that T is equal to 3. Another common factor is B in both bat and bet. The only option here is 5, as we've already concluded that the other common factor between them, 3, is equal to T, so B must be equal to 5. The only other letter present in more than one set is the letter E. We can also see that the only other number not already accounted for present in more than one set is the number 7. So we can conclude that E is equal to 7. And finally, now that we have all of this information, we can conclude that A is equal to 6 and L is equal to 8, as they are the only numbers not already accounted for. Now all that's left to do is multiply all of these numbers together. 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8 should give us 5,040, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to build on your knowledge of factors and gained new skills to apply to other similar puzzles. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.